Hey everyone, Brad here again. As promised, I'm now here looking at my headlight around noon the day after of hitting this thing with WD-40. So let's have a look. Honestly, is it perfect? No. I do see a few spots that kind of linger from before, my mountain range if you remember before, but otherwise, this thing looks pretty damn good for all of the 2 seconds it took me to wipe that down. So is it a permanent fix? Is it perfect? It doesn't look like it, but does it make a huge difference from where it was before for the effort? Absolutely. So I'd give this one a solid B+. Again, it's not a permanent solution, but it's really, really effective. So if you have troubles like this, give it a try. I'd love to hear your comments to see if it's been successful or not. So anyway, that's it. Short and sweet. I hope you got something out of this video, folks. And again, always appreciate the likes and subscribes. You know, this thing's a great car, so let's keep it going. Have a great time. Bye now.